ये नोटिस आएगा किसी विषय पर, उसके बाद का निर्णय है। प्लीज आप लोग सभी बजट पर चर्चा करिए। अगर आपको बजट पर चर्चा करनी है, माननीय सदस्य, अगर आप बजट पर चर्चा करना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज आप चालू करिए।
आप रिक्वायरमेंट देख कर हो।
नोटिस इस किसी भी विषय का कोई नोटिस नहीं है माननीय सदस्य। प्लीज आप बजट पर चर्चा करिए ना।
पार्लियामेंट्री कन्वेंशंस कंप्लीटली वायलेटिंग।
अभी किसी भी विषय का कोई नोटिस नहीं है, आप सिर्फ बजट पर चर्चा करिए।
विपक्ष को इंटरवेंशन का अवसर हमेशा मिलता है, सदन की परंपरा रही है। हम लोग भी 20-20 साल से सदन में, मैं स्वयं देखता हूँ, हमेशा नेता विपक्ष को।
माननीय सदस्य, लेकिन कोई भी विषय बिना नोटिस के नहीं रख सकते यहाँ आप। ये नोटिस के बाद का विषय है। प्लीज माननीय सदस्य डॉक्टर शशि थरूर जी।
Madam, it is a tradition of Parliament that just as you were prepared to give the floor,
माननीय मंत्री जी कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं? माननीय मंत्री,
उन्होंने कहा, स्पीकर साहब ने कमिटमेंट किया है, राहुल गांधी जी ने कहा, स्पीकर के चैम्बर में वेणुगोपाल जी थे, मैं भी ज्वाइन किया और हम लोग बातचीत किए हैं। मैं इस चीज का पुष्टि करना चाहता हूं कि स्पीकर साहब ने पहल किया था कि अगर सब मान जाए तो सदन चलना चाहिए, और वेणुगोपाल जी की ओर से भी कहा गया है कि हम अपना लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन से कुछ बुलवाना चाहते हैं। लेकिन उससे पहले हमने ये बात तय किया कि अगर क्या विषय में आप बात करेंगे, अगर स्पीकर के ऊपर एलिगेशन लगाएंगे तो स्पीकर का भी जवाब होगा। ये सारा चीज तय करके ही हम आपको परमिशन देंगे। स्पीकर ने ये कहा, ये अभी राहुल गांधी जी ने कहा वो 100% सही नहीं है। स्पीकर ने कमिटमेंट नहीं किया है। स्पीकर ने ये कहा कि अगर बातचीत बनता है तो आपको बोलने के लिए देंगे और बाकी दल के नेता को भी देंगे। ये नहीं कहा कि सिर्फ कांग्रेस को ही देंगे, ये भी कहा गया। अरे तो आप सवाल करते हो और अगर मेरा ही बात नहीं सुनेंगे तो सरकार की ओर से कौन बोलेंगे बताइए? आप बोलना चाहते हैं, हम तो हमेशा आपसे बातचीत करने के लिए तैयार रहते हैं, हमारा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। लेकिन आप लोग कुछ ऐसा काम मत कीजिए जिससे सदन का गरिमा गिरे, ये हमारा अनुरोध है। और स्पीकर साहब ने ये कहा था अगर बात बन जाता है, सब आपस में तालमेल होकर के बात बन जाता है, हाउस शांति से चल रहा है, तो उससे पहले लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन, फिर हमारे जो बाकी दल के नेता है उनके ओर से भी सुनेंगे और मैं भी सरकार का पक्ष रखूंगा। ये बात हुआ था, लेकिन इससे पहले कमिटमेंट नहीं हुआ, सिर्फ एलओपी को ही बोलने देंगे, इसका कोई एग्रीमेंट नहीं हुआ।
माननीय सदस्यगण, अगर आप केंद्रीय बजट पर चर्चा चाहते हैं, नहीं, कोई विषय नहीं। माननीय अध्यक्ष मोदी जी ने जैसी व्यवस्था की है, प्लीज आप सब लोग बैठिए प्लीज। माननीय सदस्य बोलना चाहते हैं डॉक्टर शशि थरूर जी? नहीं, आप सब लोग चर्चा चाहते ही नहीं है केंद्रीय बजट पर। सभा की कार्यवाही कल मंगलवार दिनांक 10 फरवरी 2026 को प्रातः 11 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
Lok Sabha has been adjourned till tomorrow. Kiran Rijiju there responding to what Rahul Gandhi said. Kiran Rijiju says that they discussed with the opposition about cooperation and allowing the House to function. Remember, the opposition is mulling bringing a no confidence motion against the Speaker. Kiran Rijiju intervened to say that if you level allegations, then the Speaker, then the Chair will also respond. Also countering what Rahul Gandhi said, Kiran Rijiju said that Rahul Gandhi, the allegations or the statements that are being made by Rahul Gandhi are not factually correct. There was a meeting just ahead of the House being resumed at 2, in which a decision was taken that there will be cooperation from the opposition side as well. Meanwhile, Congress MPs constantly pointing out, saying this has been the tradition. Rahul Gandhi ko bolne dijiye. Let's go across to Pragyash, is joining us on the broadcast with more details. Once again, war of words inside Lok Sabha. Now it has been adjourned till tomorrow, but Rijiju there countering the narrative, Rijiju saying that there was a meeting that took place right before this in which an assurance was given that there will be cooperation, the House would be allowed to function.
Absolutely, Swati. There was a meeting, and in fact, what Mr. Rijiju said, exactly what has taken place in Chamber of Speaker, when Speaker said that if all of you, decide to cooperate and also run the House smoothly, if you decide on that, we will allow every leader, party leader, to speak, their mind as well, and they will be given a chance, including leaders of opposition. As Mr. Rijiju said, he never said that we will allow only LOP to speak, and that too without giving notice. This is exactly what the chair was saying. Even if you want to speak, there are rules in the House that you need to give notice of what you on the subject that you want to speak. And here, LOP did not give any notice on the subject he wanted to speak. And this is what was flagged by the chair today. When in fact, if you even have a conversation with the speaker, their conversation was for everyone to cooperate to run the House smoothly, and then everyone will be allowed to speak their mind or whatever issue they want to raise. But that has to be done through certain rules and regulations, as mandated by the House, which exactly, did not happen. And in fact, the opposition was adamant that they want Rahul Gandhi to speak on that. And despite chair naming Shashi Tharoor to speak on budget, Shashi Tharoor, obviously being the member of Congress party, he only said that, there are procedures where LOP can speak whenever he wants and whatever he wants. So he also ceded the ground to LOP, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, and this is exactly when Speaker said that, Chair said that you do not want any conversation, and this is the time for House to be adjourned. And we will see what is going to happen tomorrow, but looks like that same stalemate is going to continue in the House tomorrow as well. Swati.
All right, Pragya, once again, similar scenes witnessed. Now, Kiran Rijiju, Parliamentary Affairs Minister, has countered saying that this was never discussed, that only Rahul Gandhi will speak. If you level allegations against the Speaker, then the Chair will respond.
Absolutely, Swati. Speaker cannot just say that we will allow LOP to speak. If that was the case, then there is not going to be such a stalemate. There is not going to be a washout session as far as the last week is concerned. The fact is that LOP is speaking on a subject that has not been approved. He did not seek permission according to the rules, and he just wanted to speak whatever comes to his mind is not acceptable to the Speaker as well. What transpired in the Speaker's chamber is that every party leader will speak, they will get their chance, and whatever issues during the budget discussion they wanted to raise, they can raise, they will get the chance. Not just LOP, but every party leader will get that. From Samajwadi Party, Akhilesh will also get the chance. But having said that, you need to give notice on the subject that you want to speak. That is the process and procedure of the House, which they did not comply with. And now they want that, there is, the Speaker also said that, I also want that all of you sit down, cooperate, and ensure that the House will run smoothly.
So Kiran Rijiju also saying that the Speaker never gave a commitment that only Congress would be allowed to speak or only Rahul Gandhi would be allowed to speak. Let's listen to that counter that came in from Kiran Rijiju.
क्या विषय में आप बात करेंगे? अगर स्पीकर के ऊपर एलिगेशन लगाएंगे तो स्पीकर का भी जवाब होगा. ये सारा चीज तय करके ही हम आपको परमिशन देंगे. स्पीकर ने ये कहा, ये अभी राहुल गांधी जी ने कहा वो 100% सही नहीं है. स्पीकर ने कमिटमेंट नहीं किया है. स्पीकर ने ये कहा कि अगर बातचीत बनता है तो आपको बोलने के लिए देंगे और बाकी दल के नेता को भी देंगे. ये नहीं कहा कि सिर्फ कांग्रेस को ही देंगे. ये भी कहा गया. अरे तो आप सवाल करते हो और अगर मेरा ही बात नहीं सुनेंगे तो सरकार की ओर से कौन बोलेंगे बताइए? आप बोलना चाहते हैं, हम तो हमेशा आपसे बातचीत करने के लिए तैयार रहते हैं. हमारा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
We don't have any problem. We are ready to discuss. Don't hurt the prestige of the House. That's what Kiran Rijiju said, reminding Rahul Gandhi and KC Venugopal of the conversation that they had before this, along with the Speaker Pragya. And Kiran Rijiju says there was never any commitment given that only Rahul Gandhi would be allowed to speak. In fact, he's saying there's assurance that came in during that conversation कि सब लोग मिलकर सदन चलने दें.
Absolutely, Swati, and given the past interactions and also the experience of the Speaker House, Speaker Office, and also the government with the opposition, they have realized that they may accede to the demands of the opposition, but opposition is never, fulfilling the promises it makes to the government on smooth
All right,
functioning of the
Pragya,
House.
please stay on with us. Sorry to interrupt you. We have Mr. Rashid Alvi joining us in the broadcast. Another showdown, another adjournment, Rashid Alvi ji. This time around, Kiran Rijiju says never a commitment given that only Rahul Gandhi will speak, and that assurance was given to the government कि cooperation से सदन को चलने दिया जाएगा.
Hello.
Can you hear me? Go ahead, please.
Yeah, please. What is your question?
Well, another showdown, like we are witnessing, another showdown and another adjournment. Kiran Rijiju says there was no commitment given by the speaker that only Rahul Gandhi would be allowed to speak. If allegations are leveled against the speaker, and of course the chair will also respond.
First of all, with great respect of our speaker, it appears as he is protecting Bharatiya Janata Party. He is not behaving as an independent speaker of the Lok Sabha. I am very sorry to say like this. You know, is it BJP who will decide which issue should be discussed in the parliament and which issue should not be discussed in the parliament? If Rahul Gandhi, he has referred a magazine, how can you stop him? I have been member of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha several times. We have mentioned even the newspapers, not once, several times.
But we today heard the chair saying, Mr. Alvi, कि मेरे पास ऐसा कोई notice नहीं आया है. We also have Pradeep Bhandari. Pradeep Bhandari, Rashid Alvi, they are alleging that the speaker is acting at the behest of the government and not allowing Rahul Gandhi to speak once again.
Well, Mr. Rashid Alvi is a senior member of the Congress party and he is very well aware of the rules and procedures of the parliament. Under rule number 176, if he wants a short duration discussion to be happening in parliament on any issue, a formal notice has to be given to the chair, which unfortunately Rahul Gandhi has not given. So the parliament cannot be run on the winds and families. The discussion on the budget, it is as per the rules of parliament that you will have discussions, questions and answers on the budget. If there is a matter of urgent public importance, it has to be mentioned to the chair and the chair has to approve it. This further proves that Gandhi Vadra family considers parliament as their personal property, and this is why they've been insulted.
Rahul Gandhi in the House said that, before the session resumed, okay, I'm being told that we have Mr. Manikam Tagore joining us in the broadcast. Pradeep, do stay on with us. Mr. Tagore, Rahul Gandhi said that assurance was given that the LOP would be allowed to speak, but Kiran Rijiju, they're countering that narrative, saying there was never such a commitment given. In fact, an assurance came in from the opposition side that they'll cooperate and everyone will allow the House to function.
The main issue is that the government is very in an arrogant mood not to run the parliament. They are having lot of issues which has to be raised by the member of parliament, particularly the opposition parties. And the government is not ready to allow the parliament to function. Therefore, they want the opposition leader not to be allowed to speak. The Honorable Speaker has called a meeting and K.C. Venugopalji and Kiran Rijiju, all of them were there. And in that meeting, it was said that leader of opposition should be allowed to speak. He has to raise very important issues on the suspension as well as those issues which was raised in the previous week of the parliament. The Honorable Speaker has allowed that, and today when he was allowed to, leader of opposition was allowed to speak, when he started, Kiran Rijiju objected and Kiran Rijiju started to speak. Therefore, the mic was switched off from the leader of opposition. The government's attitude is making the speaker chair into a difficult situation. Speaker is becoming a partisan. Speaker has been forced to take some other view, which is not the neutral view. Therefore, it is becoming very, very untenable for the opposition that the opposition leader is not allowed to be spoken any day also. Today also, not even 1 minute he was allowed to speak. The Parliamentary Affairs Minister keeps jumping, keeps stopping, blocking the opposition leader. Parliament is a place where opposition...
Parliamentary Affairs Minister says there was no such commitment given that only Rahul Gandhi would be allowed to speak.
They should allow him to speak. He is the leader of the opposition.
The LOP stood up to speak, but that did not happen.
I've just said what I think.
Today LOP stood up and he wanted to speak.
Ma'am, no confidence motion पे क्या बोलेंगे जो लेके आ रहे हैं? No confidence motion पे, ma'am.